You know that was for you, feel me? Yeah, nigga, he is 69 God. Alright, boys, so today we talking about fucking Hinge, bro. I can't teach y'all how to be pros on getting baddies on Hinge because, bro, it's just, you gotta be good looking. It is what it is. Or you gotta just look rich. Good looking or just look rich. It's either or, bro. You mean if you're ugly and you ain't got nothing to flex, then like you probably won't get no one. And most time girls don't be on that. So the only way to counteract that is volume and insane shit. Just say the most outlandish shit to get their attention, bro. You gotta realize every guy is texting them, "You're pretty, you're pretty." It's like they hear it all day, bro. So you gotta be different. Let's just start that off. Diddy dog. Well, I don't know what's up with Diddy, bro. That shit just be popping in my head for no reason. This is the page, bro, chat. It's nothing simple. It's nothing serious, bro. My shit's simple, bro. Boom. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have something to freak the girls out. Not to freak them out, but to show them that you a beast. Sporty type dude. So I got some good hair care, facial care. Chat, it's all in there. Boom. One with the homeboys. It's just so you around people. You got friends. You got network, something. And then boom. So I got aesthetic. I got vibe. I got energy. That's all it's about. Ellie. Goddamn. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Redheads are just like, they're it, Jack. Like, y'all been sleeping on them. Hold up. Nice, sweet man who ain't evil. I'm gonna just be what a real nigga would say. I need a shooter. She'd be like, what the fuck? Hold up. Ooh. 315 bench. Damn. 275, bro. I'm be like, I bench 275. But you only weigh like 110, 115 at most. So I for sure good. Bruh, come on. Chad, hey, I ain't gonna lie, Chad. Man. You got what I need. And she a Latina, oh God. You gotta need. There we go. Ooh, chat. Y'all know how I feel about the Asians, boy. You know about that. Let it go. See, I get mad if someone made some racist black joke. Nose, monkey, banana eating boy. So if I buy you dinner, then and impregnate you. Just asking for a friend of a friend of a cousin. Hold up. A cousin of a little. Oh wait. Of a uncle. Wait, of a. Ooh. Too easy. Like, sometimes, bro, don't even think too much. Just the first thing, bro. Once you start thinking, bro, it's never gonna go right, man. Oh, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, and she's a wolf? I ain't never got with a werewolf, bro. Chat. Wait, did we look what she looked like, bro? Sometimes, bro, you just gotta take it, man. Cause, hey, I was serious about that. Oh, if I got a motor, oh no. Where is your parent? Nowhere to be found. Chat, I don't match. Look, bro. Like, bro, I don't even know where that just came from. But I don't, like, if you look at my page and what I just said, bro, it don't even equate. It's just like, this nigga just told me this? Like, yo. She know what I'm talking about. And if you trying to wonder, what do he mean by how much? Nigga, how much to smell the seed? How much? Cause I need a woman. I'm desperate. Ooh, be funny. Oh, she should be glad we can't send no voiceovers, bro. Cause, oh man, I would have told her a funny little joke. A funny little jokey joke. Yeah. Dating means like endless happiness. So it's like a constant net. I think that would hurt at some point. Hold up, some point. But I like pain, unfortunately. yo. Alright, bro. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you want to see more, there will be another video for responses and all the other stuff, responses, and then another one just of us shooting shots. I recorded like hours, so there should be 2 videos. But if you guys like this video, like and subscribe, man. I'd appreciate it, and he would appreciate it too. And later. Yeah.
She talking about she can't film, she all on the roof. I said, why you talking all this shit? What you do? You disappoint. Talking all this shit while I'm smoking on